Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make green screen video in CapCut PC. So first you can prepare the video and the green background image can download from Google like this. Just import and first you can select the green screen as a background. Just add to the track and select the video that you want to edit and make it as an overlay. Put on top. And after done, you can adjust for duration in the same way. Right? And select the overlay and you can remove the background cutout. Select auto cutout. That's it. You can change the aspect ratio. Right? And merge it. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.